When you see someone that looks like they're having a poison reaction, there is a poison hotline that you can call. I'll put the number in the description below. Avoid not being distracted, which can be kind of hard. You want to stay calm and stay focused for the person that's on the ground. You have to be calm for them. So you want to ask as many questions as possible. Are you okay? Is it okay if I help you? I'm a licensed professional. Can I assist you with something? Can you tell me where the pain is? Are you bleeding? Did you eat breakfast this morning? What did you eat? You know, ask plenty of questions so you know what to tell the dispatchers when they get there, because it's very important that they can catch what's happening beforehand. If the person is not able to say anything to you, that's when you have the most work that needs to be done. As I said in one of my previous videos, you want to be very direct on who you tell to go get the AED, and you want to be very directive on who you tell to call 911. You need to say, hey, you, Kim, go get the AED. Hey, you, Tanya, go and call 911. You have to be very direct. Stay calm. Everybody has to stay calm because you don't want this person to go into shock if they can still hear you. When you perform CPR, always pinch the nose, lift the head up under the chin, lift it back, blow into the mouth. Then you're going to do compressions in the center of the chest, closest to the heart. Now you're going to have to do that not extremely fast, but fast enough, like a consistent beat. You don't want to do it too fast, too slow. It has to be on a consistent heartbeat. And I thank you all for watching so much. I can't wait to see you more in the future with more videos from Royal Assistance. And like I always say, let's stay pretty while saving lives.